Good afternoon, everybody. We have some incoming vehicles. We have a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee theft, missing sheet metal nose. We have a 2019 Mustang GT. We have a 2021 RAV4 hybrid. We have a 2019 Ford Fusion hybrid. We have a 2016 Audi RS5. We have a 2020 Land Rover Velar. Hail damage. We have a 2019 Nissan Maxima. 2019 Porsche Macan. And a 2018 Dodge Durango RT. We're gonna unload them, take pictures, put them on the website, do some walk around videos. They'll be on the website soon as well. Call us if you see anything interesting. If you like our content, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and we'll keep the posts coming. Thanks for watching.